NFC is a wireless communication system for cell phones with the function of enabling different types of file transfer, mobile payments, and contactless card balance query. To make a file transfer, the only thing you should do is, from the file you are going to send, share the number beam, then this will ask you to locate the device right behind the order to make the transfer. After locating it, the file will be sent automatically. For mobile payments, you need to have a bank application that allows you to make payments with NFC along with the security sticker provided by the same bank, so you can make payments in establishments that have authorized this method of payments. The NFC system from the cell phone also has the function of reading contactless cards such as rechargeable cards for public transport. Simply bring the card closer to the bank or the device and it will ask you to select one of the available applications to do the card query.